G'day everyone. We're in the little greenhouse, which is nice and humid. Harvest our mushrooms. These ones are Blue Shimeji. We've done the silver Shimeji, which we really like. But let's have a look, see what they're turning out. Here we go. That's looking pretty good. I'm going to take them out so we can harvest them easier. This one's not ready, as we can see. So I'll just pop him down there. But look at these. We'll take them down and we'll harvest them down the bottom there. This is the smaller of the two. Oops, I knocked one off. No matter, he was ready to harvest. I knocked one off, but that's okay. He was almost ready to harvest. I've no idea why they're called blue. This one is perfect harvest time. So let's get this lot off. We'll weigh them and see how much we've harvested. We should get a second flush out of these. Down we go. All right, let's just give them a little twist. They come off in pieces. There we go. That's really close, but I think we'll leave him for a little while. This one's definitely ready. Look at that one. That is a beauty. I should have got a bowl for these. What do you reckon? We picked that one? Yeah, just starting to curl up. That one can lay till tomorrow.
I think the others can wait.
Yeah, I think these can wait. So down on this one, take this fella. We're not going to eat all these in one meal, are we?
Why not?
All right, do you want to just spin around here and do you want to leave? Hang on, I'll turn around to you. Should we leave these?
I
Because
think
that's
so.
kind of borderline. Yeah, I think they'll be good tomorrow.
Yep.
All right, let's try and get them in there without dropping them all. That is a beauty, that one. Now, I'll point out this was 1 kilo of grain spawn in these 3 buckets. So I probably overdid it a little bit. But if we get 2 flushes out of this, even similar to this, it's a lot of mushrooms for $20. Look at that, I can't even fit them in the bowl. All right, pop that back down. I'll take it in. Let's go in and weigh them. So I've just zeroed the scale. Let's see how much we actually got. Actually, I want to find that really big one. Is that the really big one?
No.
No.
Underneath.
I want to see how much that really big one weighed on its own.
I think it's that one closest to me, yeah.
Yeah. There you go. All right, this large one weighs 600 grams on its own. So our first harvest is almost 1.5 kilos. 1.453 kilos. That's not bad for the first flush. And we got heaps more out there. Another full bucket to come to life. And you'll never guess what we're having these with. Go on, Savash. Yep, snags. Just turns out that way. We don't eat snags every day. But what do you reckon? Looking good? I reckon that's a really good harvest for a first off. We happy, curmudgeons?
Yeah.
Yeah. Be interested to see if they actually taste any different to the silver Shimejis. Why are they called blue? They're not blue. Might have to look that up. And here we go. This is not all of our mushrooms, so if we have a look up there, we've still got quite a number left. Now, I don't know why they call them blue Shimejis, but they're certainly not blue in any way. Mind you, I'd be a bit worried eating blue mushrooms. Whee! Could be like a beef Wellington. We also had a little bit of lion's mane left over from our little Lager kits, and they were absolutely beautiful. So I might be disappointed here. Let's try it. Not disappointed. Very good mushroom taste. Texture's a little bit stringy perhaps, but that could be because I had the lion's mane. Will we do these ones again? Right, we'll get everyone else's opinion at the side. And you can't have any. Enjoy life. Or cats in the garden. No, no, no.